need space, man. Can I have space, please?
5 degrees currently. That is near the average height.
Yeah, not it.
Moderate snow this morning into the afternoon. It quickly came down. We did get a coating in some areas, but then it also.
No shit. Bro, chill.
To do a higher volume of tests. When you
Can we watch Roseanne, please?
Nigga, stand up!
Look at my babies.
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
That was an intense fall.
It's time to go off the bed.
Come on, let me go. You can watch from the window, bud.
Is that your dad?
Morning hugs.
Bro, I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Just trying to eat some breakfast and
Botar o negócio aqui, isso! Ô! Aqui, ó!
They said no dogs on my pillow.
Are you serious? Yeah, you changed your tone real quick with.
What's going on?
It's a cuddle puddle.
This is an actual cuddle puddle that I walked in on.
Astro. I'm trying to stretch my back out. Move.
And can't even.